here is how we can set a time limit for YouTube on the iPad. Let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, you need to open up the settings app as always when we are setting things up on the iPad. And in the left section, we need to find the screen time right there. And if you haven't used it before, you just need to make sure that it is set up. So if you get some kind of like instructions to set it up, just go and follow through it. But in here, you just want to manage all of the different things which we can see. Most importantly, in our case, the app limits. So when you click on app limits, you need to make sure it is turned on and then click on add a limit. This is going to allow you to pick any app from your installed apps of the iPad and limit the usage for that. So it doesn't matter if it's YouTube or if it's Netflix or any other media which you want to limit or at least be aware of how long you're using it. You can find it through the search in here or just expand the entertainment portion of the apps right here and just find the app that you are looking for. Then click on the next, and you need to set up the length or the amount of time you allow the app to be used per day. So you can set it for 1 hour, 2 hours, however long you want. You can set it as low as 1 minute, right? So it is up to you. But the important part is that you can also customize the days. So when you expand it, you can choose it differently for, let's say, Saturday compared to Tuesday, right? So that's something which you can set up as well and just follow through with the setup to make sure that you get it to work. And then you're going to have an active limit in here. So you know that it's not going to be able to be used beyond that point. Keep in mind that if you don't have any passcode set up, you will still have the ability to ignore that limit, but on the main screen time page, you get the ability to log the screen time settings, which lets you set up a passcode for you or for someone else to make sure that only with this code you can change these settings or ignore the time limits. But that would be all from me. I hope that I was able to show you how it would work. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments specifically about this, but I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to see you later in the future upload, so stay tuned and I'll talk to you soon.